Click subscribe for update video every day.
For the past few years, vacuum manufacturers have been making sporty models. Google the Porsche of vacuums, or the Tesla of vacuums, and you'll get some hits. The Eureka Ultimate Clean Pet is like the Jeep of vacuums. More utilitarian and less zippy. It's made to handle off-road conditions, going from all levels of carpet to bare floors. In our Eureka Ultimate Clean Pet AS3451A review, we test out its dust and debris slurping abilities over all types of terrain. The first thing you'll notice about this Eureka model is the color what car manufacturers might call champagne. It's miles away from and that's okay. Chances are you're keeping this 16-pound vacuum in a closet and prefer a more understated hue for your vacuum anyway. Everything about the vacuum is big. From its nearly 4.5-inch tall brush head to its 1.8-liter dust cap, to its big OL red power button. The dustbin is mostly see-through, so you'll know when your dust bunnies have hit the max fill line. The bottom of the cap flips open to let you empty it, while the top pops open to reveal a washable filter. There's a clear window on the front of the brush head, so you can watch the brush roll turn. It's also where you'll find a large gray knob with 4 carpet settings: high, low, and 2 in between, and 1 bare floor option. A big gray button lets you turn the brush roll on or off, depending on whether you're vacuuming a hardwood floor or not. From the back, you'll see the can't-miss foot-controlled power button, a big circular piece of plastic where the 27-foot cord retracts. The hose draped over a little shelf that feeds into the wand on one side, and a selector knob that leads to the dust cap. Here you can turn the large, round knob to tools or floor, depending on how you're vacuuming. On the back of the brush head, there's also a gray level you tap with your foot to rock the handle back. The vacuum comes with the Pet Power Paw tool, a crevice tool, and a dusting brush, but we only found room on board for a couple at a time. The brush head doesn't swivel, so we had to use a back and forth motion to clean. There are a couple of reasons people often buy pet-centric vacuums. They offer special fur removal tools. They help get